Are you going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol MJNA Medical Marijuana? Currently trading at 18 cents, 18 cents right here. Um, like I said, this one right here, we have not covered anytime recently that I remember. You've seen a huge volume spike on the 3rd of January. You had a run up here. Let me go ahead and rate my lines here. You got through those simple day moving averages, right? Right between here, you twisted between them. You just went sideways in that area. You fell through completely right here, and then you went sideways. Couldn't get outside of those simple day moving averages. Right here, you get outside of it on the 14th, so December 14th, and then you went sideways, and then followed that upper Bollinger Band. Something happened over here, some sort of a sell off. Looks like on the 3rd, Joe. And then you fell through, went down through the 10-day, you tapped on the 20-day, and it just started recovering back since. So right now you got that spinning top of a red, not too sure which way you want to go. I would continue to watch it. As this one flips green again, you can probably start making your way up to that upper Bollinger Band following that 10-day simple moving average. So either you can go up or kind of like retrace back down. Don't forget about that 20-day, because if it retraces back down to that 10-day, it could come back down to the 20-day right around this area before it starts bouncing off. Looks like to be a trend with this stock. So watch for that 10. That doesn't hold, you're going to go to the 20. And I would suspect that would hold, but the volume today seems to be really picking up to compared to where it was recently. So that is MJNA of what I have to say. And before Joe jumps in here, again, for everybody that's following MJNA, I encourage you to head over to investorshangout.com/live, join our live stream, and tell us what you know about it. Tell us if you follow MJNA. I know that there's a lot of people that do follow this one. I'd love to hear about what you got to think on it. If we're wrong, if you know something we don't. Joe, what do you have to add?
There was a press release today on it. So it was Medical Marijuana Incorporated, investment AXIM Biotech receives positive PK data results for Can-Chew Plus CBD gum. So AXIM Biotechnologies announced positive pharmacokinetic PK data results on proprietary delivery method for cannabinoids in chewing gum. So let's see, Medical Marijuana Incorporated, the first ever publicly traded cannabis company in the United States, announced today that its major investment company, AXIM Biotechnologies Incorporated, let's see, with the ticker symbol AXIM, so that one right there, we should probably look at too, has received positive pharmacokinetic data results on its Can-Chew Plus CBD gum, which will be used in upcoming clinical trials with patients suffering from irritable bowel syndromes. The single-dose study on 10 milligrams of cannabidiol or 30 mgs of CBD determined the concentration of CBD in the blood after chewing one Can-Chew Plus gum for 30 minutes in healthy volunteers. The 30 mg dosage showed excellent results, and this data will be used to determine the optimal concentration in the IBS patient trial. And then let's see, Stuart Titus stated yet again, AXIM continues to impress the industry with the study on its proprietary delivery methods for cannabinoids and groundbreaking research in the field. With this data, AXIM will be able to formulate the optimal dosage for its clinical trial products to render the most positive results for their patients. AXIM is among just a few companies conducting clinical research on the benefits of cannabinoids. Their research will be the catalyst for change in many sectors of the pharmaceutical industry, as we believe that cannabinoid therapies has the potential to restructure certain aspects of how medicine will be practiced. We applaud the AXIM team and support continued efforts on this front, added Dr. Titus. There are very few effective treatments for IBS, which affects between 25 to 45 million people in the United States and around 10 to 15% of the world population. AXIM intends to bring pharmaceutical solutions to the IBS market, which is estimated to be worth $1.5 billion by 2023. And that is basically the last press release, but there is more press releases. When was the last time we actually went through MJNA?
It was probably back in October.
Oh, yeah. So there's been a few different ones because, let's see. Yeah, I would basically advise anybody to just go pull up the company, look at their latest press releases, because there's been a few since we went over it in October. That's for sure.
All
Because
right.
like right here, article names Medical Marijuana Incorporated and AXIM Biotech as 2 of 10 largest marijuana companies, ranking in huge profits. So,
Okay. You know, Joe, real quick before I jump off of this one, what was the one that you said to take a look at after we take a look at this?
oh,
You said that.
yeah, it's basically they basically have that kind of business relationship. It's the AXIM.
Right.
They're the ones that announced the PK results, the
It was
PK
what?
data results for
What was
Canchu.
it? Ticker. I'm sorry.
AXIM.
I am. Okay, so that is gonna be it for this one. AXIM. Okay, so biotechnologies, correct? Yep.
Yes.
All right. So this is gonna be it for MJNA. Just go ahead and take a look for the next one, which is gonna be AXIM. We're gonna follow up with that one.